Sacred Heart High School, Nalasopara West. Standard 4th, Subject EVS 2, Chapter number 14, The Fort is Captured but the Lion is Dead. Part 2. Hello children, I am back with the continuation of Part 2 of Chapter number 14, The Fort is Captured but the Lion is Dead. Now let us start with over the precipice and into the fort. Children, it was a dark night. Tanaji and his men were gathered at the foothills of the precipice. Since it was a night, the sound of crickets could be heard all around. Children, crickets means insects. Okay? Now, 5 to 6 members of Tanaji's party started climbing precipice. The rock was very high and dangerous, but somehow these brave soldiers managed to climb up this rock. They pushed their fingers into the rock and they began to climb up with this difficult and dangerous rock. Slowly but surely they reached up the top, and as soon as they were on the safe grounds, they tied a rope to a strong tree and let it down for the other soldiers to climb up and enter into the fort. Now let us move to Tanaji's valor. Children, the meaning of valor means having great courage to face danger situation. By now, what happened, children? You all know that? Suryaji, Tanaji's younger brother, reached the Kalyan gate and was waiting for the doors to open. As the gates were opened, the battle on the fort started. Now Tanaji brought soldiers from one side, and because of the commotion, the sound and the noise, Udaiban heard that there was an attack and the battle drums were sounded. That means the battle between both the soldiers started. Udaiban's soldiers attacked Tanaji's men and a grim battle started. That means a ferocious battle started between both the soldiers. They were fighting in the light of a dancing torches. Tanaji was fighting like a brave lion in the battle, and Udaiban attacked him. While fighting, Tanaji's shield was broken. Children, you know that? Shield is worn by the soldiers to protect themselves. So, when the shield was broken, Tanaji tied his upper garment round his defending hand to parry Udaiban and continued the fight. They both fought so bravely that at the end both were mortally wounded and fell fighting. The fort is captured, but the lion is dead. Now children, with the death of Tanaji, the Maulas found themselves without a leader. They were scared that their leader is dead. Now who will guide us? So they started to run away. And at the same time, Suryaji, Tanaji's brother, arrived on the scene. That means he came to that place, though he was very sad that his brother had already died in the battlefield. He did not waste time grieving over the dead body of his brother. He continued fighting and cut off the ropes by which the Maulas had climbed the fort. Suryaji said to the Maulas, "Don't you see that your father is lying dead here on the battlefield? Are you not ashamed to run away like a bunch of cowards? Turn back and fight, because I have blocked your ways by cutting off the ropes by which you have climbed up. The only choice before you is either you jump down to your death over the precipice or turn back and fight to destroy the enemy." These words of Suryaji gave courage to the Maulas, who started fighting, and a ferocious battle raged. The Maulas finally conquered the Kondana fort. Now, the joy of capturing the fort, though, were in the hearts, but the brave lion-hearted leader Tanaji was dead. Now, children, when Jijamata and Shivaji heard this news, they were struck with grief. Shivaji was so sad that he expressed his sorrow in a single sentence, saying, "The fort is won, but the lion is dead." Kondana became Sihagarh in the memory of a great warrior who gave his life to recapture it. Yes, children, the fort was named after Tanaji Malusari. Siha means lion and Garh means fort. This event took place in the year 1617. Later, Shivaji Raje and Ma Sahib personally went to Umrithei to perform the wedding of Raiba. Children, who was Raiba? Yes, he was Tanaji Malusari's son. I hope you all must have enjoyed listening to the story of Tanaji Malusari. Thanks for watching the video.